Okay, so we will be giving this award, Pulse Choice Award, to the contestant. Obviously, they are all beautiful and they are all sexy. So we break down the tie by choosing
Insert
the
na
most
video clip.
number of cheers and the contestant that has the highest impact from the audience itself who were entertained tonight. So we decided to give the Pulse Choice Award to contestant number. What do you think, guys? What do you think? Alright, guys, ladies and gentlemen, we pick contestant number 1.
Alright, ma'am. Wow, ma'am, panay sobra, ma'am. Tagay ko, mamoy. Dahil ko, ma'am, tagay.
Sana all!
Isaw, big buwan. Picture, ma'am. Oh, yeah. Take a picture. And again, wala na kung nasulti kanina, no? Sa mga inyong mga kaliwan ka na asal. Balay, inaangalay